Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to find Maybank Swift code. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. So there are various ways to find the Swift code of Maybank. The first way is to simply visit the remittance websites like Wise, Remitly, etc. From there, you'll be able to find the Swift code. So simply click on the search bar of your browser. Now what you have to do is enter this link. You can see the link over here, wise.com/gb/swift-codes. Now press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to find the Swift code. All you have to do is search by the country and bank over here. First of all, select a country, click on the field of country. Now select the country for yourself. Here I'm just going to select Indonesia. Now what you have to do is select a bank, click on the field of bank, now type in Maybank. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option of Maybank. Now you'll also have to select the city, click on the field of city. Now you'll be able to find several cities over here. Now simply click on the city of your choice. Now click on the option Find Swift code. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find the Swift code of the particular branch of Maybank that you requested for. You can also copy this code if you want. Simply click on the option Copy Code. Or there is also easier way to find the Maybank Swift code. For that you can simply search it in Google. So simply go to New tab, click on the search bar and type in Maybank Swift code. Press enter. Now on the result, you'll be able to find the Maybank Swift code. So like this, you'll be able to find the Swift code of Maybank. So that is how you find Maybank Swift code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.